And here is how you generate videos in bulk using Canva. Welcome to True Hacks. Our first step is to head over to ChatGPT, our AI-powered assistant. Here, we're tapping into its advanced capabilities to generate a list of engaging riddles. Watch how effortlessly ChatGPT crafts unique and intriguing prompts. This isn't just about generating content, it's about sparking creativity and originality. The AI analyzes numerous themes and patterns to come up with riddles that are not only fun, but also tailored to our audience's interests. Each prompt is a blend of creativity and AI intelligence, ensuring that our videos are both entertaining and intellectually stimulating. This process demonstrates the power of combining human creativity with AI efficiency, resulting in content that's fresh, dynamic, and engaging. With ChatGPT, we're not just creating videos, we're crafting experiences that captivate and intrigue our viewers. Now, we transfer our generated content to Google Sheets. This organization step is crucial for keeping our project streamlined and efficient. Next up, we're heading into Canva to work on our mobile video. Our focus here is on choosing the right video for mobile template, which will be the canvas for our engaging riddles. This template choice is crucial because it ensures our video looks great on mobile devices, where most of our audience will likely view it. But there's more to it than just visuals. Let's add some music to really set our video apart. Here's a neat trick in Canva. We create a new project specifically for our background video. Why? Because this is where we can add our chosen music. The right track can completely change the feel of a video. It can make it more exciting, more emotional, or just more fun. After selecting a tune that matches our theme, we integrate it into the background video. Then, we download this new music-infused background and upload it back into Canva. Now, we have a mobile video template that's not just visually appealing, but also audibly engaging. Using this music-enhanced background, we start adding our riddles. This approach ensures that our final video isn't just informative, it's a complete audio-visual experience that captures the viewer's attention from the first second. Remember, in the world of digital content, it's all about creating something that stands out, and with Canva, making an impact has never been easier. With our mobile video template selected in Canva, we're now at a pivotal stage, adding the riddles. This part is really about bringing our content to life. We start by placing the first riddle on the screen. It's not just about putting it anywhere. We think about how it appears to the viewer. Is it easy to read? Does it stand out against the background? We tweak font sizes and colors until it looks just right. Now, let's talk timing. Each riddle needs to be on screen long enough for viewers to read and think about it, but not so long that they lose interest. We play around with the timing, finding that sweet spot where curiosity peaks. It's a delicate balance, but when we get it right, it makes all the difference. Once the first riddle is perfectly in place, we move on to the second one. This repetition of the process is vital. It's not just about consistency, it's about creating a flow. With each new riddle, we ensure that the timing, placement, and appearance are in harmony with what came before. This creates a sense of continuity for our viewers, making the video more engaging and watchable. By the time we add the third riddle, we've established a rhythm. Viewers start to anticipate the next question, engaged and eager for more. This rhythmic flow is key in video storytelling, especially in a series. It keeps our audience hooked, waiting to see what comes next. So, with each riddle carefully added and timed, we're not just making a series of videos. We're creating an experience, a journey of curiosity and engagement brought to life through the power of Canva's tools. It's about crafting a story that unfolds with each swipe or click, captivating our audience one riddle at a time. As we finalize the third riddle, our series begins to take shape. This isn't just about the individual elements, it's about how they come together to tell a story. Each riddle, with its carefully chosen words and placement, builds anticipation and engagement. We step back to review our work, ensuring that each riddle seamlessly leads to the next, creating a compelling narrative flow. But our journey doesn't end here. With our riddles in place, we shift our focus to visual storytelling. It's time to add supplementary graphics and animations that complement our riddles. These visual elements are more than just decorations. They are narrative tools. They provide context, add humor, or simply enhance the visual appeal of our video series. In Canva, we have a plethora of options to choose from. We select animations that subtly highlight key elements of each riddle, making the content not only more dynamic but also more intuitive for our viewers. After enriching our videos with these visual touches, we take a crucial step, syncing our content with the audio. If a riddle is suspenseful, maybe we add a dramatic sound effect. If it's lighthearted, perhaps a cheerful tune. This audio-visual alignment is what transforms our series from a simple set of riddles into an immersive experience. Finally, we review our series as a whole. We play each video, observing the transitions, the interplay of sound and visuals, and the overall pacing. It's like fine-tuning a musical instrument. Each adjustment, no matter how small, contributes to the harmony of the final product. In these last steps, we see the true power of Canva's video editing capabilities. It allows us to not just create content, but to craft an engaging narrative, one that captivates our audience and leaves them wanting more. Up to this point, we've crafted individual riddles and enhanced them with visual and audio elements. Now, let's connect all these pieces with the crucial data we've organized. This step is where our preparation in Google Sheets comes into play. We link each video in our series to its corresponding data in the sheet. This connection ensures that every piece of text, every timing, and every transition is perfectly aligned with our planned narrative. It's like fitting together the pieces of a puzzle to reveal the bigger picture. But the true magic happens when we utilize Canva's bulk generation feature. This powerful tool allows us to produce multiple variations of our video with just a few clicks. Imagine, instead of manually editing each video for different riddles or backgrounds, Canva automates this process, saving us hours of work. We simply feed our linked data into the system, and like a well-oiled machine, Canva generates a series of videos, each tailored to the specifics we've set. It's efficient, it's effective, and it's incredibly satisfying to watch our series grow exponentially with minimal additional effort. As we witness the bulk generation process, we see our riddles come to life in a variety of formats, each one as engaging and well-crafted as the last. This isn't just about mass production, it's about smart production. We're maintaining high-quality content while maximizing our efficiency and output. And now, with a series of videos ready, we take a moment to review our work. This final review is crucial. We watch each video, ensuring that the integration of data, visuals, and audio has come together seamlessly. We check for consistency in style, accuracy in content, and effectiveness in delivery. Each video must not only stand on its own, but also contribute to the overall series, maintaining a coherent and engaging narrative throughout. With our final checks complete, we're now ready to share our series with the world. We've gone from a single idea to a robust collection of interactive and visually stunning videos, all thanks to the combined power of AI-driven content generation and Canva's versatile video creation and bulk generation features. So there you have it, true hackers. This is how we use technology and creativity to make impactful video content. If you're inspired to create your own series, remember the tools are at your fingertips and the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe to True Hacks for more insights and guides. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.